Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Workspace for Gmail with custom domain, full guide step by step clearly. To set up Google Workspace for Gmail with your custom domain, begin by visiting the Google Workspace website. Click on the Get Started button to create an account. You will be prompted to enter your business name and the number of employees. Next, provide your primary email address that will be linked to your Google Workspace account. After that, proceed to fill in your contact information, including your first and last name. Now, choose your domain option. If you already own a domain, select Yes, I have one I can use. Enter your domain name in the provided field and click Next. You will then need to verify your ownership of the domain. Google will provide several methods for verification, such as adding a TXT record to your domain's DNS settings. Follow the instructions provided by Google for the chosen verification method. Once your domain is verified, you will be prompted to create user accounts. Enter the first name, last name, and desired email address for each user you wish to create. After adding users, review your account details and click Next. Next, you will be asked to select your payment plan. Choose the plan that best suits your needs and enter your payment information. After completing the payment, you will access the Google Admin Console. In the Admin Console, click on Apps, then Google Workspace, and select Gmail. Enable Gmail by following the prompts to set it up with your custom domain. To complete the setup, you will need to update your MX records in your domain's DNS settings to point to Google's mail servers. Follow the instructions provided in the Admin Console for updating your DNS records. It may take some time for the changes to propagate, so be patient. Once the MX records are updated, return to the Google. Confirm that Gmail is working by sending a test email to your new custom domain address. If everything is set up correctly, you should receive the email successfully. Now you can start using Gmail with your custom domain through Google Workspace. Remember to explore other features available in Google Workspace to enhance your productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.